Greetings, people of the nation. I said this is King Rastafari Emmanuel Elohim Yahshua. I am that I am, the Son of Man. I said the herbal physician that use natural herbs to cure every sickness and diseases that affect the human being body. Every sickness and diseases is cold, gas, parasite, inflammation, toxic poison inside the bloodstream. And to remove every parasite out of the body, you have to kill the roundworm 3 days before the full moon or 3 days after the full moon. Every sickness and diseases, people, can be cured naturally. When the medical doctor said there is no cure for sickness and diseases, that is a lie, because every sickness and disease can be cured easily. You have to build your immune system, which is your white blood cell count, your T cell count. Once you build your immune system, your T cell count, you cure yourself from all disease. Viruses can be cured easily. It's only take antibodies to kill a virus and an antidote to get rid of a poison. A virus is a poison. What you need to eradicate poison from the human being body is natural antidote. Antibodies. Here in Jamaica, we have several natural antibodies. We have the busy, little covering over the busy seed, the red clear dirt, and the charcoal powder. Use it in vodka. Remove all inflammation, toxic poison out of the body. HIV damage and cripple the immune system. Every sickness and disease damage and cripple the human being immune system. What you need to do is to use as much as possible high doses of vitamin A, high doses of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, high doses of psyllium. Right? The more psyllium you put in your body, the quicker for your immune system. Right? Your immune system needs magnesium chloride to build the immune system. You have to protect your immune system if you want to live. If you have cancer, you have to use herbs to build the immune system. For cancer, it is a fungus. And to eradicate the fungus, you have several herbs. Here in Jamaica, we have the Guinean root. You use the Guinean root, get the Guinean root during the time of full moon. Dark night, 3 days after the full moon, that's the time you start to get the Guinean root, the young soursop or the young soursop leaf, the tuna plant, the aloe vera which we call Cinco Bible. We have the noni and the carrot, the cabbage. All these herbs cure cancer, but you only can get them during the time of the full moon. And when you get the herbs, please people, use them for the medical purpose that the doctor diagnosed you with. You can use 3 leaves of the soursop or 3 leaves of the avocado, which we call pear, to cure high blood pressure. You pick the 3 leaves from the east, which is from the rising of the sun. When you pick the 3 leaves, you boil them in boiling water. Put a tablespoon of the organic Bragg apple cider vinegar. You take it for 9 days straight. The 3 herbs leaf that you boil in the morning, you reboil them at night and drink them with 1 tablespoon of the organic apple cider vinegar to cure high blood pressure. You have several things to cure high blood pressure, people. Garlic, 13 peg of garlic, soak into a pint of organic apple cider vinegar. Take 1 tablespoon of it twice a day in hot water, cure high blood pressure. Onion, you cut up the onion in water, make a juice out of it, use it with the organic apple cider vinegar to cure high blood pressure. You need to get 1 onion, blend it out in a 6 ounces of water, put 1 tablespoon of the organic apple cider vinegar in it, strain it and drink it twice a day will bring down the worst high blood pressure. Celery seed, cure high blood pressure. You boil it as tea, 1 teaspoon to a 5 ounce cup of water, use a teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar in it to cure high blood pressure. Nutmeg, you make nutmeg tea, grate a little nutmeg, boil it on the fire or boil up some hot water, add to it, use a teaspoon of the organic apple cider vinegar, take it for 9 days, cure high blood pressure. The herbs are named blue coash, black coash, ginkgo biloba, right? Artanberry. All these herbs are very good for high blood pressure, right? Here in Jamaica, you have the breadfruit. You get 3 ripe breadfruit leaves. They must not drop on the ground. Pick them, boil them, put a tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar in it, drink it for 9 days, bring down the worst high blood pressure. Here also in Jamaica, we have young coconut jelly with lime juice. You use the young coconut jelly with half a green lime every morning for 9 mornings, bring down the worst high blood pressure, right? People must not die from sickness and diseases. Sickness and diseases can reverse naturally by using natural alternative herbal medicine. The Almighty Creator, King Jah Rastafari, Yad Yahweh, the Father of life. I, Emmanuel Elohim, Yahshua, the Kings of Kings, created the natural herbs to heal humanity from their sickness and diseases. When you're sick and you go to the doctor and the doctor diagnoses you with a sickness, my people, do not fret. Do not worry. Go get a second opinion and find out if what the other doctor say is so. If a doctor say you have cancer, right, don't fret and say you're going to die. Because a lot of people have cancer and cure their cancer naturally with the herbs and overcome the sickness that they have. So I'm asking you kindly that when you have cancer or any disease that doctor claim that you have, you shall not die from it but live. People, you have to change your diet. It is very important that if you have any sickness, you cannot eat pork. Pork carry a lot of virus, bacteria, germs. So if you have cancer and you eat pork, it's going to spread the cancer more. If you have HIV virus or herpes or any virus, eating pork, it's going to put virus on top of the virus. That's why you have to kill the parasite, which is the roundworm, 3 days before the full moon or 3 days after the full moon. When you kill the worm, you must take a colon cleanser, which is a laxative, to remove the impurities out of the body. My people, the herbs are very important. Whenever time you're sick, do not sit there and die. Purge your blood, meaning purify your bloodstream. Alkaline your blood, reverse all acidy, inflammation, toxic poison out of your body. So once you alkaline your bloodstream, you counteract all of the disease that medical doctor claim cannot be cured. It's easily to alkaline your blood. Watermelon skin, but use the watermelon with the little white part in it. The lemon or the lime blend with the skin in the organic apple cider vinegar. The herbs are named hops. It is very alkaline into the blood. Alfalfa, very alkaline into the blood. And the herb are named marijuana. But the marijuana plant must only use in the period of 6 to 8 weeks. It must not go over 6 or 8 weeks because too much chemical going to be in it then and it's going to be too strong. So the younger plant of the marijuana get during the time of the full moon and extract it. You can extract the herbs in either white rum, vodka, organic apple cider vinegar, brandy, gin. What this do when you extract it, you drop it on the tongue, 3 drops of it, the tincture, and the tongue. It goes straight to the blood vessel and cure whatever sickness and disease you have. People with suffering from herpes, the medical doctor said there is no cure for herpes. Every virus are the same virus. The chickpea virus, the Zika virus, the herpes virus, the HIV virus, the hepatitis C virus, the HLTV virus, all of them are the same virus and can be killed naturally. Every virus is a poison and need antidote and antibodies in order for you to kill that viruses. All right? So charcoal extract. You could extract the charcoal in vodka, white rum, brandy, gin, organic apple cider vinegar. Take it to kill any form of virus in the body. The red clay dirt, the charcoal, and the busy kill any form of virus in the body. For the HIV virus, you have the red algal extract, the olive leaf extract, you have the marijuana CBD extract, right? You also have the red clover blossom, the frankincense and myrrh extract, the shiitake mushroom, the miyake mushroom extract, right? All these things cure HIV. Here in Jamaica, we have the plant that named lignum vitae. You can use the lignum vitae seed, the lignum vitae gum, the lignum vitae flowers, the lignum vitae leaf, with the Guinean root, and a plant named cedar under the leaf to cure every form of HIV virus. HIV virus also can be cured with beetroot, seawater, but you go to the deep sea to get the seawater. Use it to blend the beetroot with apple cider vinegar, organic apple cider vinegar, Jamaica red stripe beer, and Jamaica brandy. Once you make the medicine, the seawater build the immune system by supplying magnesium chloride to the immune system. The seawater and the charcoal and jackfruit build the immune system very fast, my people. Echinacea, shiitake mushroom, miyake mushroom, these herbs build the immune system, right? The chamomile, right? Here in Jamaica, we have the tuna, the Guinean root. We have the urban name dog blood. We have Cersei, which is Carilla. We have red dragon blood, right? Thyme, garlic, onion. All these things build the immune system. The immune system also can be built with beetroot, carrot, broccoli, watercress, Guinean root, noni plant, ginger, right? You blend them out together, use them to build the immune system. To cure every diseases, people, you simply can use one herbs to cure every sickness and diseases that affect the human being bloodstream. Every sickness and diseases are into the blood, and you have to take a medicine to carry it to the medicine to the blood cells. The sickness is not only in the system, but it's in the cells of the blood that go through the veins and have to be cured. So it doesn't make no sense to go to doctor and taking medication for sickness for 5 years, 10 years, but you're not taking nothing to build your immune system, purify your blood, and clean your liver. Your liver is the biggest organ of the body, and if you detoxify your liver by cleaning your liver, then you automatically clean your bloodstream. No one must not sick and die from sickness that can be cured easily. HIV, simple, aloe vera gel, egg white, vodka, right? You take that on a daily basis, kill HIV virus infection. The marijuana, the hibiscus plant, the dog blood, the Cinco Bible, the Cersei, boil them in coconut milk with organic apple cider vinegar, honey, cure HIV virus. The full-blown AIDS is when the immune system below 200. Once your immune system is supposed to be at least 1,000, 1,500. If it below 200, then you consider to have full-blown AIDS, meaning the disease more chronic. When a sickness is chronic in the body, is more inflammation, poison, toxic, that destroy the body and cause the liver and heart to work more faster. When you have problem with your liver, beetroot, carrot, and black pepper with organic apple cider vinegar, and use coconut water or coconut milk to blend them or extract them. When you use the herb in extract form or formula form, liquid form, it go in the bloodstream much faster than you take it in capsule form or pill form. You can jar a simple tea bag in a cup of hot water. The same tea bag you jar in the morning, re-jar it in the night. And use it same way with the organic apple cider vinegar or the brandy or the vodka or the white rum. But you need something in it to take it to the blood cells, because the sickness are located in the blood cell. Let's say, for instance, a person has strokes. Strokes can cause from several things. High blood pressure is too high. Stroke can cause from cold in the vein, so the cold block up the vein so the blood cannot circulate it, so it can cause stroke. To remove the coal out of the body, you need the herbs that name Benjamin herb or the senapad with Epsom salt to remove the coal and mucus out of the body. You have here in Jamaica, we have the bamboo leaf, the shame maca, and the biema grass. They suck out every coal out of the human being body. There's a plant here in Jamaica named guango. All right? You get the guango, you blend it up to a juice and take it. Lime juice with salt, remove every mucus out of your body. So if you travel with asthma, you get young mango leaf, boil the young mango leaf as tea, put a shot of gin or a teaspoon of gin in the tea, drink it on a daily basis, cure the worst asthma. The marijuana soak in white rum with ginger and nutmeg, right? Take it on a daily basis, a teaspoon of it cure the worst form of asthma. But as I said, marijuana plant must only use for when the plant is in 6 to 8 week stage. Do not use it over that for medical purpose, because that's the time it starts to bear flower for smoking purpose. Right? My people, I am Rastafari Emmanuel Elohim, Yahshua. And the marijuana carries several compounds. You have THC, you have the CBD, and you have the diamond carnal, right? You have so many different forms of the marijuana, right? The DRONABINOL, which pronounced damanabinal. It is good for the liver, a melanoma cancer patient. It's good for AIDS, all right? It's good for people with anorexia, meaning people who are underweight, right? The delta-9 tetracannabinol, right, which is good for AIDS, people that have full-blown AIDS. The cannabinol itself is very good for people with arthritis that are suffering from arthritis. The THC increase the appetite and reserve people with people with weight loss and people with AIDS patient. All right? The Jamaican, right, effective as appetite stimulant. The herbs people are the cure for every sickness and diseases. When you sick, use the herbs. Right? You have the anandamide, which pronounced ANANDAMIDE for breast cancer. Right? The chamomile, all right, for the tumor, leukemia cancer, and breast cancer. The cannabis compound is for the blood vessel with people with diabetes and those things. You can extract the marijuana and take it. The young marijuana plant with cayenne pepper and artanberry is very good for people with arteries problem, meaning the arch blacktop. So when you arch blacktop, you have arteries problem, so it gives you a lot of complication. Get the young marijuana plant, use it with cayenne pepper in red label wine, right? And marijuana, cayenne pepper, artanberry. Put them in red label wine, take a teaspoon of it on a daily basis, clear up every arteries problem in the human being body. People with arthritis, beat up the marijuana, use it with organic apple cider vinegar and Epsom salt to tie on the area that hurt. The same plant, the Guinean, do the same thing, right? The custard leaf do the same thing, right? You have so many plants. The tuna, boil the tuna with the Cinca Bible and ginger, right? And thyme and nutmeg, suck out every pain out of your body. Do not sit down, dear people, and suffer from sickness and disease that medical doctors claim cannot be cured. I see several patients come to me and say they have herpes. And they cannot cure herpes. Herpes can cure easily with olive leaf extract, right? You have the neem extract that cure herpes. You have tarragon extract that cure herpes. You have the buckthorn bark, right? Which is the casasarga bark that cure herpes. Beetroot, tarragon, olive leaf extract, right? Cure herpes. Shiateki mushroom extract, olive leaf extract, St. John's wort extract, and the licorice root extract, right? The myrrh extract. These plants cure HIV, herpes, and all other virus. Every sickness and diseases, my people, it can be cured naturally. Why you want to sit down there and die from sickness and disease that can be cured? The Almighty Creator who created humanity put us here on the land. He gave us natural water that came from the earth without chemicalized fluoride, without chemicalized chlorine, nor nothing to preserve it, right? People who take over these things, add these chemicals to these things, destroy the human being health and causing complication to their health. It's not right for you to be taking GMO kind of food in your body, destroying your cells. Organic food is the only food that you need to eat. Your food is your medicine and your medicine is your food. People telling you that white rice or white product is not good for you. That is a lie. Anything white builds the immune system. If you have any disease and you take gluten, gluten is what comes in wheat, soy and wheat. Those things is what carry gluten, and most of them make up by the GMO. All of the corn product that people use made up by GMO. Chicken, they inject in chicken arsenic, which is a cancer agent. All right, so when you eat chicken, you eat cancer in cells in your body. You have to be careful of the kind of food you eat. Certain drinks that they make it with all kind of chemicalized product in it to destroy the human being body because they want to control the population, right? The Almighty Creator provide for them to the common bird, the fish, the ants, every human being on the planet Earth and everything that created by the Almighty, He provide things for them. The medical doctor go in the lab and they create up viruses, create up diseases, and then tell you that there is no cure. Here in Jamaica, they come with a virus named chikungunya virus, and they tell people take Panadol. Panadol can't cure chikungunya virus. If Jamaican people never take the natural herbs, especially the Guinean, the papa leaf, right, and the ginger and the lime juice, I know they would never get over chikungunya virus, right? Because what they're telling them to take cannot reduce the fever out of the body. Now they have the Zika virus, which is a next mosquito-borne virus. You can get the herb named dog blood, or the dogwood plant, right? The fever grass, right? The lignum vitae. You blend out these, extract them to a juice in the organic apple cider vinegar, brandy, or white rum, and use to kill parasite, which is the mosquito-borne disease, right? Malaria can cure with bitterwood, dogwood plant, and fever grass. You can even make a oil out of them and use to rub the skin to prevent mosquito from bite you. The bamboo leaf suck out every fever out of your body. You can put it under the sheet that you lie down on or hang it up over the bed that you sleep on. It suck out every fever out of your body. You can simply take the bamboo leaf tea and boil it and bathe yourself with it to get rid of fever. My people, herbs are the healing of the nation. Woe be unto the medical doctor. When you're sick, seek a herbal physician. A lot of people here in Jamaica keep on calling physician Obia man. A physician is not a Obia man. A physician is a person that uses natural home remedy, recipe to cure you naturally. Heavy medical drugs that you take, people, it make from the same herbs, but they add chemical to it to destroy the healing properties of it. So you have to be wise and know that every cure for your disease is in the food you eat. Say, for instance, you travel with cancer. The green tomato blend out in natural coconut milk, add organic apple cider vinegar, and bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. If you cannot get the baking soda, you use a little iodine salt in it. You take that on a daily basis to cure every form of cancer. The Guinean root, take up only during the time of full moon, which is dark night period, like 3 days after the full moon to 5 days after the full moon, you take up the Guinean root. That is the only time it portends to cure every form of cancer in the human being bloodstream. But the Guinean root, you need 9 of the Guinean root, extract in 1/4 Jamaican white rum, and 1 pint, which is 16 ounces of the Bragg organic apple cider vinegar. Then you use it to extract the herbs, strain it out, add 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, baking soda, which is the aluminum-free baking soda to it, sweeten it with the raw honey, right? And that cure every form of cancer. Take it 1 tablespoon dose twice daily, up to 3 months. Your immune system, as I said, is the #1 source. A lot of coconut milk carry our immune builder, antibodies, antiviral, vitamin C, vitamin A, all the kind of vitamin you can think of is found in marijuana, coconut, right? Aloe vera, right? You have so many cure that's naturally used to cure people. To cure every disease, here in Jamaica, people, you get the Guinean root, the carrot, and the ripe noni fruit. You blend them together, skin, seed, everything. Strain it out, add your white rum, your vodka, your brandy, your organic apple cider vinegar, your bicarbonate of soda and honey to it, and use it to cure the immune system. It cures every disease. If you don't clean your bloodstream, you have several herbs to clean your bloodstream. You have gentian root, you have sarsaparilla root, you have the young green marijuana plant, right? Those 3 together, used with organic apple cider vinegar, clean everything out the bloodstream. You also have the beetroot, the turmeric, the black pepper, with the organic apple cider vinegar and vodka, with honey, cure everything in the bloodstream. You can use the beetroot, the black pepper, the bitterwood, the rice bitter, and the marijuana plant to cure every disease in the blood. Marijuana, young marijuana plant, tuna, Cinco Bible, those 3 boiled together with thyme and ginger, get rid of every pain in the human being body. From cancer pain, arthritis pain, back pain, you name it, it gets rid of it. People that suffer in back pain or arthritis pain, get a little egg white. Get 1 egg white, half a teaspoon of flour, mix them all together, a little water, drink it, get rid of any back pain for 9 days. Right? For back pain also, you can grate the ginger, grate the clove blue, and mix it with egg white and tie it on the back. The same flour mixed with arrowroot and egg white and tie it on the back or on the knee where you're feeling the pain, eradicate the pain. You can get the organic apple cider vinegar, warm it on the fire with some Epsom salt and use it to sap the area that the pain is. It gets rid of pain. The natural gas, which is the regular 87 gas, the chemical in it is ethanol. And when you use gas to sap any pain or any swelling, in a couple days' time, all that pain and swelling disappear. Right? Just like how you'd use the Guinean and the white rum with the Epsom salt, or the Guinean, the sweet sap and the custard apple, right? To use to eradicate pain. My people, the herbs are for the healing of the nation. People must not die. Diabetes is a simple disease to cure. People, you cannot take insulin to cure diabetes. You need nerves medicine. Nerves medicine is what you need to build your immune system. You need green banana, blend it out to a juice with the organic apple cider vinegar and honey to build your body immune and nerves system to cure diabetes. You need cayenne pepper. Right? You use the cayenne pepper, especially here in Jamaica, you get the bird pepper during the time of the full moon, blend it out with the Guinean root during the time of the full moon, right? And garlic together, cure the worst form of diabetes. Diabetes must control naturally. The natural insulin is string bean, garlic, and coconut water. Don't pop off the tail off of the string bean. You use it and blend them up together. Use them for insulin to supply the body immune system and supply glucose to the pancreas to get rid of that. Man with prostate cancer. There's a lot of herbs to cure prostate cancer. Here in Jamaica, we have the gourdi, which we call the calabash, the Guinean root, and the dandelion root with the red watergrass, right? And vervine cure prostate cancer. The ripe cucumber, blend out to a juice in coconut milk, with organic apple cider vinegar, organic baking soda, cure prostate cancer. You also have a herb here in Jamaica named cat claw, right? The soursop bark, the Guinean root, right? All these herbs cure prostate cancer, right? You have noni, Guinean root, carrot that cure prostate cancer, right? You have the yellow skin coconut, calabash, which is gourdi, and dandelion root. All three must boil together, cure prostate cancer. You have cat claw, you have chickweed, and you have dandelion root that cure cancer, right? But the Guinean root cure every form of cancer with broccoli, watercress. Blend them or extract them together with the organic apple cider vinegar, the brandy, honey, organic baking soda. These things is what cure you, my people. Why is it that you must sit down there and suffer from sickness and disease that medical doctor claim can cure? A lot of women suffering from hemorrhagitis, which is an inflammation of the womb where some of them bleed a lot. To stop the bleeding, you get tuna, blend it out to a juice. The tuna is a cactus plant here in Jamaica. Add to it some nutmeg and a little salt. Drink it on a daily basis, half cup of it, which is around 4 ounces of it twice a day, for 9 days to stop every form of bleeding. The cayenne pepper with the periwinkle and the guava leaf stop every form of bleeding. You have a herb named shepherd purse. You boil it as strong as tea and drink it, stop every form of bleeding. Right? You have a vinegar named malt vinegar that stop every form of bleeding. Right? You can get cool apple cider vinegar and put your hand in it, stop every form of bleeding. The blue, where you used to wash clothes here in Jamaica in cream soda, I dissolve the blue in water and drink it, stop the excess amount of bleeding, my people. Right? You have the guava, which is the Spanish guava, which is the big guava. Use that form of guava to stop any form of bleeding. The pink periwinkle stop every form of bleeding. Right? For the information now, you need to get the herbs when named padeco bark, right? To get rid of inflammation. You need wild yam and you need chamomile, right? Here in Jamaica, you need the shemi maca, the dark blood, the cinco bible, all right? The vervine and the duppy gun, right? To get rid of any form of inflammation. Here in Jamaica, you have a herb named chigani. The chigani get rid of every form of infection in human. You take the chigani tea with a little organic apple cider vinegar or a little vodka. You can blend up the ginger, you blend up the cinnamon powder with organic apple cider vinegar and honey. Get rid of any form of infection also. Ladies, to douche, you get the apple cider vinegar, put some baking soda in it and some honey and douche yourself with it. To get conceived, woman, when you have black tube, you have to remove the inflammation out of the womb. There is a product sold at the pharmacy named Lydia Pinkham. It removes every inflammation out of the body. Or you boil, here in Jamaica, you get the leaf of life, the dark blood, the cinco bible, boil them in Guinness stout, all right, and use them to clear any form of black tube. If you have infertility problem, meaning your cycle come this month, it don't come next month, get the charcoal, the regular charcoal, beat it, boil it, and drink it. Or you get the duppy gun, the devil ass whip, and the Guinean plant, right? Those three plants together bring back the cycle, right? You also can use the cayenne pepper, the cinco bible, right? And the dark blood, right? Again, you also can use to get rid. If you're pregnant people, do not use it because the hot Pepsi and the coconut water circulate the entire bloodstream. But if you're pregnant, do not use it. So you want, if a man have low sperm count, you take ginger and bissy and tomato. You drink the bissy tea, blend up the ginger and tomato as a juice, drink that to build up the sperm count, right? You also have a herb named tricolus, which is very good to build up the sperm count, right? Woman with infertility problem, there are several herbs to correct it, right? You have the herb named Arnie Goatweed, Daminia, Angelica, Danquay. All these herbs, pennyroyal, is female herbs. You have in menstruation cramp, right? You get the clove. You boil the clove, the cinnamon, and the thyme. You boil the thyme, the ginger, and the pennyroyal together. I put a little salt in it and drink it for the pain for 9 days. The clove, the thyme, and the ginger, with a little bit of salt in it, knock out every pain in the human being body, especially female with menstruation cramp. Female that have herpes, you need to get the neem extract, the olive leaf extract, right? And you need to get the marijuana extract. Those extracts together kill herpes virus. To get rid of the cold sore, you can get the toothpaste, regular toothpaste, mix it in garlic or charcoal or cinnamon powder. Use that to rub the night fever sore and it kill it. Or you can use natural lime with salt used to rub the night fever, kill the external virus. But to kill the virus internal, you need antidote, and you have several antidotes that can kill the virus, my people. I is a herbal physician, and I use the herbs to cure every sickness and diseases. Diabetes, several cure for diabetes. The green banana blend out into a juice with organic apple cider vinegar and honey, right? Cure diabetes, because the diabetes need to build the nerves. The cayenne pepper build the nerves and cure the diabetes. The juniper berry, the cayenne pepper, and the green banana soak in brandy with organic apple cider vinegar, build back the nerves and cure diabetes. To build the nerves here in Jamaica, you have young pumpkin, carrot, right? And tomato, blend with brandy and molasses, build the nerves. You have orange juice, right? Egg white, honey, nutmeg, brandy, build the nerves. You have the young soursop, peanut, young green banana, brandy, molasses, build the nerves. You have shemi maca, soursop leaf, susumba leaf, milkweed, vervine, with brandy and molasses, build the nerves. You have the medina, the soursop, and the dopigon, build the nerves. A lot of men have erection problem, meaning your nature is slow. The best sex tonic you have in the world is the Campari wine, cinnamon powder, and honey. Or you get the annatto seed, the fenugreek seed, the nutmeg, soak it in brandy, bury it under the ground with honey for 9 days, then you take it out and take a shot on a daily basis, give you stimulant. If you last your nature completely, then you get the tuna, which is the cactus plant. Blend it out as a juice, add white rum to it, egg white, honey, take it on a daily basis that restore your nature. Here in Jamaica, we have a tree named trumpet tree. The trumpet root, the raw moon, and the bread nut, the medina, and the dopigon, right? Circulate back the blood and build back the nerves and tissue to the organ. Your organ deal with blood circulation and nerves. So if your blood circulation not circulating properly, then you cannot have an erection. When you discharge and your erection die, that means that your nerves is weak. So you need to build the nerves. So you soak the nutmeg, you have the honey goatweed and the marijuana, soak them in brandy, right? And take them on a daily basis to build back the nerves. Anxiety. Anxiety is when man having sex, and as they start having sex in a few minutes, they end up come. That's because the nerves is weak. So to calm the nerves, you get the juniper berry, the cayenne pepper, and the marijuana, whether the marijuana dry or green, and soak it in brandy with honey, and you take a tablespoon of that on a daily basis. People, Viagra is not good for your body. Viagra destroy your cells and cause complication to your heart, give you heart attack. All right? Only natural stimulant you need is simple thing. The ginger is a simple stimulant. Cinnamon, nutmeg, right? All these herbs. You have the honey goatweed, you have the yambi bark, you have the maca, right? You have the ginseng, right? You have damenia. All these herbs are natural aphrodisiac. They are not a seed soaked in brandy with honey. Is one of the best aphrodisiac out there right now, my people. And herbs are the only source to cure every sickness and diseases that affect the human being bloodstream. There is so much cure here in Jamaica for people that are suffering from herpes, HIV, diabetes, cancer, high blood pressure. Every cancer can be cured. Breast cancer here in Jamaica, we have a thing named Godi, which we call Paki. Just as how you see the Godi look, that's how the human breast is. The inside part of that Paki is the cure for every breast cancer. Boil it, use it to cure your disease with organic baking soda, vodka or apple cider vinegar. Take it as a tea on a daily basis. Kill any cancer cell. Cancer cells can be killed because cancer are fungus. Baking soda and bicarbonate, which is the bicarbonate of soda, the blackstrap molasses, right? And you have the olive leaf extract. The olive leaf extract, the coffee bean, and the red sweet bell pepper, they carry the most vitamin C in the entire world, right? But the coffee bean have to pick ripe, right? You blend the natural coffee bean, the sweet pepper, the red sweet pepper, right? And the olive leaf. The next vitamin C you have is the rose hip, which is the rose petal. They're high in vitamin C. Marijuana is one of the highest form of vitamin C with tangerine. To get vitamin C out of orange, you have to eat the orange gut. The vitamin C is not in the orange itself, it's in the gut and the skin. So when you dash away the skin and dash away the gut of the orange peel, then you don't take no vitamin C in your body. Your body need vitamin C, magnesium chloride, magnesium yeast, you need psyllium, iodine, right? You need vitamin E, vitamin A. You need vitamin that build the immune system. High form of ascorbic acid build the immune system, my people. Caraffic acid build the immune system. Malic acid build the immune system. Right? You have hydrochloric acid build the immune system. You have the H2O2, right? Which is the peroxide. Right? The hydrogen peroxide build the immune system. To kill every virus, very simple. You get the corneal silver, the corneal gold, and you get the olive leaf extract. Those three things together kill every form of pathogen, virus, from HIV go straight down. The corneal silver, the corneal gold, and the shiateki mushroom extract cure HIV by killing the virus, the pathogen, the germs, bacteria. The lignum vitae leaf, the Guinean root here in Jamaica, and the seed under the leaf. You extract all three of them together in Jamaica, brandy and organic apple cider vinegar cure HIV virus. The aloe vera gel with egg white, vodka, white rum, and honey also cure the HIV virus and build the immune system. My people, the best time to get the aloe vera is during the time of the full moon, 3 days after the full moon, to get the medicine them. Every medicine that you need to get cure your disease, please get them during the time of the full moon. The more herbs you get during the time of the full moon, you quail them not in the sun, but in shade, and you use them regular. A tablespoon of herbs to a 6 ounce to a 5 ounce cup of water. If you're going to steep it, boil up that water, throw it on the herbs, cover it, steep it, strain it off, add the vinegar to it, or the brandy or the gin, but just a teaspoon to it. And you drink it on a daily basis. You have several plants here in Jamaica to cure disease. Asthma. Here in Jamaica, we have a herb named celandine. We have a maca named pingwing maca, right? You have the marijuana, right? You have young mango leaf, right? You have a herb named ginkgo, right? You have jack in the bush, leaf of life, sage, right? You have the susumba leaf, the jack in the bush, and the leaf of life. You beat out the juice out of those three, sweeten them with a sweetening milk and honey. Get rid of every mucus in the body, because asthma is just mucus in the body. The leaf of life juice, the susumba juice, and the garlic juice, sweetening milk with honey, will remove all that mucus out of the body. Right? So don't sit there and die from sickness and disease, my people, and medical doctor telling you that there is no cure. The man them with prostate cancer and have stoppage of water problem, boil the thyme. Drink the thyme. You have a herb named cassava marble, right? And you have the corn here. These herbs together allow you to urine, so you can pass out your urine. You can take the closed blue in red stripe beer, and that also help you to pass out the urine. The thyme, good with peppermint. The peppermint oil, drop in hot water, 3 drops of peppermint oil in hot water. Drink is very good to pass the urine out also. People with kidney stone, it's very easy. You have the dandelion seed, you have the shea maca and the nickel here in Jamaica. You have also to pass out the kidney stone, you have cranberry juice, apple juice, olive oil, lemon juice. With honey, pass out the kidney stone. You also have cabbage juice, cranberry juice, olive oil to pass out kidney stone and bladder stone, all right, and gallbladder stone. My people, don't sit there and die from sickness and diseases. Acid reflux, you need to get charcoal. It's very good for acid reflux. Eggshell with lemon juice in organic apple cider vinegar. You take them on a daily basis, remove all acid. Acid cure acid. So what you need to remove the acid out of the body is the organic apple cider vinegar, which is the brag. You can just take a teaspoon of brag apple cider vinegar in a cup of warm water and an empty stomach in the morning and the last thing before you go to your bed at night. And what that do, it counteract the acid that you have in your body. Because it's 2 things that cause disease. Acid, too much acid in the body causes toxic poison, right? Inflammation. So what you need to do is reverse the acidity to alkaline. Once you alkaline your blood, you counteract every disease. Cleaning the bloodstream, build the immune system is the source of healing every sickness and diseases. My people, marijuana, which they call ganja, sativa, hemp, it is a #1 cure for every human being disease, but it must use with the root. And you must use both the male plant and the female plant together. The male plant carry THC. The female plant carry CBD. It have several other compounds that it carry also. All right? So what you need to do is utilize the marijuana plant and use it. All right? The drominal that it form of the marijuana also that deal with the stimulant of the appetite. All right? The same dronabinol, which is good for liver cancer. All right? It's good for HIV. It's good for AIDS. People not suffer from sickness and diseases. The Almighty Creator created every plant here. The breadfruit tree here in Jamaica. 3 young green breadfruit. Boil, chop them up with the skin and boil them. Take them with the organic apple cider vinegar. The blackstrap molasses. Cure diabetes. The young breadfruit, the milk from the young breadfruit stain. Drop it in the white rum. Right? Cut up the breadfruit stem in the white rum. You take that every day, a teaspoon of that cure HIV virus. The annatto seed, boiled in coconut milk with organic apple cider vinegar and honey, cure HIV virus. The shiitake mushroom extract, the miyate mushroom extract, right? The licorice root extract, the St. John's wort extract, the olive leaf extract. All these extract together cure HIV. The lignum vitae extract here in Jamaica, the guinea hen root, the seed under the leaf. What you do, you get the herbs and you cut them up together, extract them in brandy, vodka, white rum, or honey, or the organic apple cider vinegar. Once you do that, you take them on a daily basis, a shot glass or a tablespoon of it, twice per day up to 3 months, cure you from disease. No one not supposed to be dying from sickness and diseases when the Almighty Creator King Jah Rastafari Yahweh is about the Father of life, Emmanuel Elohim Yahshua, the Son and Holy Spirit of creation, and the Queen of the world, Queen of Sheba, which is the Trinity, the first woman of life, put every medicine here to cure humanity. My people, it is your fault if you sit there and die from a sickness and diseases because medical doctor tell you don't use herbs. Herbs are the only source to heal you. Herbs are your food. Those are your medicine. Why are you sitting down there and taking drugs? Drugs damage your blood, damage your nerves. Chemotherapy, a lot of people having cancer and running spend how much money doing chemotherapy. Chemotherapy radiation poison the body, damage the nerves, cause the ear to fall off, weaken the body, kill the good cells, leave the bad cells. Wish the cancer to spread more throughout the body, turn around, kill you in the process after spending hundreds and thousands of dollars for taking these chemotherapy and radiation therapy to cure cancer when they don't work. You need natural herbs to go in your blood cells and remove the toxic fungus, poison out of the blood, build back the immune system, and you good. Why should you have to be taking 6 sessions per day or per month or 4 sessions per month for cancer? You don't need that. The only thing you need is your food, is your medicine. Your medicine is your food, my people. Stop dying unnecessarily from sickness and disease that can be cured. Sinus, get golden seal root. Get thyme with your boil soup with cayenne pepper. Use them with organic apple cider vinegar, and that gets rid of sinus. Here in Jamaica, beat up the susumba leaf, wring out the juice of it, put it in your hand, use your cork one in your nostril, and inhale it. Do that 7 times for the week, and that pull out the sinus infection. Also, get the ganja, the one we call rice and peas, and thyme with your boil soup with. Boil them together, get rid of sinus. The leaf of life, the susumba juice, and the garlic, put them in sweetening milk. And sweeten them with the sweetening milk and drink them on a daily basis, get rid of sinus. Guineas, egg white, and aloe vera gel. Mix together, get rid of sinus. Every sickness and diseases, my people, can be cured. People with migraine headache. Migraine headache, you need ginger, thyme, pimento seed. Right? Get rid of any migraine headache. Right? You have the herb named dog blood. You have thyme. You have ginger. Get rid of any headache. You have soursop leaf, thyme, ginger, nutmeg, and garlic. Get rid of any migraine headache. You can pick the noni leaf, turn it over on the back, tie it on the head, pull out the pain out of the head. The leaf of life do the same thing, my people. My people, the herbs are the healing of the nation. I am Rastafari Emmanuel Elohim Yahshua, and I can be located at number 12 Vermont Avenue in Avondale, Kingston 19. You can reach me at 1-876-559-1303, 1-876-885-9504, 1-876-784-8048. Right? You can Google King Yarastafari. The Yarastafari is spelled with YAHRASTAFARI. Or you can Google HIV cure by King Yahshua. Yahshua spelled YAHSHUA. Right? On Facebook, you find King Yarastafari Michael Johnson. Right? And you find everything about me. On MySpace is King Yarastafari Johnson. King Yarastafari Johnson. YAHRASTAFARI JOHNSON. That MySpace. You find all my music, a lot of videos, teaching people about the natural resource of your health. My people, stop dying unnecessarily. Right? You can reach me. My email address is King Yahshua, YAHSHUA, right? at AOL.com. Right? I am a herbal physician, a herbal scientist that use natural alternative herbs to cure every sickness and diseases that affect the human being bloodstream and the human being health. My people, your health is your wealth. Your health is your life. Sustain it. Maintain it. Live to live and love to live. Stop going around and dying unnecessarily from sickness and disease that can be cured. Right? The King Rastafari, the Father Yahweh, the Almighty, the Creator of heaven, earth, land, sun, star, and the universe. I and I, King Emmanuel Elohim Yahshua, the Son of Man, and the Queen of the world, the Trinity of the world, be with you all.